Chapter 1, Number 15. A parking lot is 124.3 meters long and 41.06 meters wide. What is the perimeter of the lot? So we have some sort of rectangular thing where one side is 124.3 and the other side is 41.06, and we know that the perimeter of something is just the sum of the sides, so it's 124.3 meters plus 41.06 meters plus another 124.3 meters plus another 41.06 meters, which on a calculator comes out to be 330.72 meters. And then we say, well, we've got 4 digits of accuracy, 4 significant figures in everybody, so we would have to round. And also, we can't keep more than the single decimal place after, right? Only one place after the decimal point, because that's all we have here, and we're doing additions. So all told, this becomes 330.7 meters.